Yeah.
My daughter's 3 months old, but I
Oh,
was
yeah.
exclusively breastfeeding.
Yeah.
It always started to bring my mother and father-in-law. But I am hopeful.
Yeah.
And go back.
Is it just for bad?
It's very straight there.
Yeah.
Oh, best friends.
They will be best friends, whether you like it or not.
Exactly. They have no choice.
I love that is so special.
Yeah, it's really nice. And like, nice that he
Yeah.
It's so really calm.
Nice that you see
Yeah.
Bark.
Oh, because she knows I get a treat when I bark.
Oh yeah.
She also believes in blood.
I don't know how she does it, but she gets that arm out. So the harness is going like that. How do you do that? I don't know.
Grippy.
Yeah.
This is
Now we're doing the
Dan Murphy.
Guys, we are glowing.
Very nice.
Nicely done.
Jeez, that was nerve-wracking. What do? We just
Yeah, cool.
say it to chest up.
Yeah. That's a cute idea.
You know those, you know the trend of people taking authentic photos when they like skip?
Yeah. Does that work? Yeah. Sorry, I'm not
Oh, that's right. That's good.
Thank you.
Do you want to be more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, maybe we should go down and start skipping it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
She's molding.
Did you have a new one?
Before you are joined in marriage in my presence and in the presence of these witnesses, I am to remind you of the solemn and binding nature of the relationship into which you are now about to enter. Marriage, according to the law,
I call upon the people here present
to witness that I, Lloyd,
to witness that I, Lloyd,
take you to us
take you, Matilda,
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
to care for you present,
I call upon the people here present
to witness that I, Matilda,
to witness that I, Matilda, and to respect you
for all of my life.
for all of my life.
Yeah.
What do you mean, what?
Yeah, whatever's happening.
I'm just going along with whatever is
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah.
No, not very often.
Yeah. No, waste your time.
And the girl is in our she just like listened. We did like a trial. It's like, oh, that's a little bit too much. Still, wow. Like, fine, like let's not do any of it. She did it. She just like, yeah.